Okay, an Americano 16 ounce.
Okay. 348.
We believe that one of the worst feelings in the world is the feeling of helplessness that comes when you've lost your wallet. And that's why we've designed the KiwiCard. Hi, I'm Mikey.
I'm Charlie.
And I'm Gonzalo.
And we are
43 Tech.
Research shows that 10% of all adults will lose their wallet in a 5-year span. And once you've lost your wallet, there's only 1 in 5 chance that you're going to get it back. The KiwiCard connects with your Android or Apple smartphone, providing you with numerous wallet-finding features. Anti-lost, Community Find, Map Find, Proximity Find. Unlike other products already on the market, the KiwiCard has been designed for one specific use, your wallet. The KiwiCard is the same size as your credit card, and at 1.5 millimeters, it is thinner than any other tracking device available.
With integrated tap recognition technology, you never have to take your KiwiCard out of your wallet. We also understand that people who often forget their wallets also sometimes forget they have their wallet. So KiwiCard is totally waterproof.
Our KiwiCard Extended Edition can last up to 3 years before the battery dies.
We also want to support our local community, and that's why we're manufacturing this card here, locally in America. We've got a working tested prototype.
And now it's time for your help.
So whether you want to join us as a beta tester,
Keep your identity from being stolen,
Or just support the cause.
get yourself a KiwiCard.
Hey, I'm Max, a cyclist. Have you seen this? Cool, huh? A new gadget in town. Definitely blends into the sleek racing bikes around. Don't need to worry about getting lost on a big ride. Battery, map, the Trimm One does its job with no compromise. Every function you need is there. Speed, waypoints, cadence, picking up rate and watts, mobile message, no worries. That's enough epicness for a day. If in hand receiving kudos, it never happened, right? Cool, huh? Trimm One, the first trim cycling computer.
Anyway, it was 3 a.m. And then I was like, I didn't ask for them to come into the door.
Whoa! Did you see that? What was that?
That was awesome.
I can't believe I didn't catch that.
Oh, don't worry, dude. You got it right there.
What is that, a dashcam?
No, that, my friend, is a Dride.
Dride?
Yeah, it's a dash cam with a share button. Anytime you want to upload a movie from your Dride, you just push the button, and it automatically goes to the cloud. Check it out.
Dude, I want to know more.
Okay. Well, first of all, Dride's the world's smallest cloud-connected dash cam. Lets you instantly share your videos with a click of a button. And the non-invasive camera is easily installed in any window, front or back, with a simple click-to-share design. And with one click, your recording is saved to your personal Dride cloud with unlimited storage, and later can be shared or downloaded through Dride's app.
Where do I get one?
Well, they're not available yet.
Where the hell do I get one?
My cousin gave this one to me. I think it's being funded on Kickstarter!
Hey Kickstarter, I'm the founder of Dride and this is my Dride. 2 years ago, we had an idea to create a better driving community for everyone. Since we've created a huge community with hundreds of people that have helped us shape the future of Dride. Launching Dride Zero is our first step into creating better roads for everyone. Help us put a Dride in every car, by backing us on Kickstarter today.
The future of RC has arrived.
It's lights out and away we go. The black car gets away very well, but it's the yellow car that tries to find room and takes the lead. We're on board now with the red car as he tries to come through. He's swooping around and he catches the black car asleep. There's contact! You can see the concentration on the driver's faces. Look how much the driver is working his steering wheel. Here's the actual view the driver gets. It's wheel to wheel down to the corner we go, and it's the yellow car quickest on the acceleration.
Fire up the Real Racer app. Snap your device into the headset, and you're ready to race. Featuring a high-definition, low-latency video stream from the car to your headset, Real Racer is the driver's view racing experience that drops you in the thick of the action. With four-wheel drive, full independent suspension, and fully proportional 2.4 GHz control system. Real Racer is also a highly capable RC car in its own right. With these combined features, Real Racer lets you take every twist, turn, jump, and spin as if you're sat behind the wheel. And allows you to turn all manner of surfaces at home, office, or even outdoors into your arena. And if you need a short break from the driver's seat, Real Racer's physical controls allow you to ditch the headset and continue racing old school for a while.
Our team has been working very hard on this project for well over a year, and as we near the final stages of development, we're incredibly excited about getting Real Racer out there and into your hands. So please, back us now and help us take the final step in bringing Real Racer to market and putting you in the driver's seat.
We introduce Aqua, the first splash-resistant wireless shower speaker compatible with Amazon Alexa.
Alexa, turn on the lights.
Turning on living room light.
Alexa, make me some coffee.
Making coffee.
Alexa, change the temperature to 72 degrees.
Changing the temperature to 72.
You use Alexa for everything in your home, except while showering. Simply attach Aqua to the wall with its suction cup, hang it from the loop, or stick it on with the adhesive pad.
Alexa, play Morning Jams.
Playing Morning Jams.
We're too young to talk about forever. Talk about the weather to know any better. I just want to laugh until I can't breathe.
Order more shampoo.
Ordering shampoo.
Midnight moonlight.
Alexa, turn the volume down.
Gone are the days of fumbling with your phone trying to play music. And with up to 8 hours of battery life, your new smart speaker is up for anything.
Alexa, call me Uber.
Calling Uber.
With Aqua, it's as simple as turning on the lights or ordering groceries. No Wi-Fi? No problem. Aqua is still a powerful Bluetooth speaker. So forget the days of dumb shower speakers and get back to being in control of your life.
Hey Alexa, order some pizza.
Ordering pizza from Domino's.
Whether it's to control your home from the shower, listen to your favorite morning jams, or to crank up the party at the pool, Aqua lets you connect with Alexa in more places and allows you to live a smarter life. A smooth, frictionless and enjoyable morning routine sets you up for a successful day, and we hope that Aqua can help you achieve just that. We're very proud to bring you this product, hoping it will make everyday tasks easier than ever. We are ready to begin production on this amazing speaker, so please back us today and help bring Alexa into the shower with you. Thank you.